Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Intel 1211 Gigabit network adapter is not working, then please watch this video. Now before anything else, just run the network troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters, click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. The next one is to update the network drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi one and select Update Drivers. The next one is to change the Ethernet cable and also buy an external Wi-Fi adapter. Now I'll show you both of these on Amazon. You can buy it from any site. I'm just showing an example from Amazon on which one to buy. Otherwise, you can buy it from Best Buy or any website of your choice. So an Ethernet cable is quite cheap. It is not expensive. You can buy a lot of them. But I think that it wouldn't cost more than like $4 for the ones that we need. And as for a Wi-Fi adapter, there is an inbuilt adapter in the system, but if it has gone bad, then you can consider buying an Wi-Fi adapter for your computer. Okay. This is what it looks like, the TP-Link one. Okay, not these ones. This is what it looks like. So just connect this Wi-Fi adapter to your system and then it will work fine. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.